Can anyone tell me what would happen if we switched these two numbers? Yes, Sam?
The answer will stay the same.
Exactly, which is a great way to help us understand the unchanging nature of God.
So in this verse, God gives us the foundation for logical thought. As we break into student groups.
All right, up next is the women's 400. That's you, Emma. All right, just stay focused. It doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. Keep your eyes locked on the prize, all right?
So science is the study of facts. Our job is to try to determine what those facts mean. For instance, people will tell you this fossil is about 300 million years old. That's just one interpretation of the facts. Yeah, Emma?
What would be a more accurate interpretation?
That's a great question. About 4,000 to 5,000 years old. Our interpretations are based on our presuppositions. And the closer we align our thinking with what God has said in His Word, the more likely we are to get things right.